Hey guys, in this video we're going to be looking at something very interesting, and that's going to be about active and passive voice. And I'm having my exams nowadays, so for students from DAV class 7, this is going to be a super interesting video. Not only that, for all students of grade 7, not only of grade 7, in all competitive exams, when we come to English grammar, from grade 6 to 12, we'll be having the same syllabus, the same portion, but the level of the level of hardness and the level of extra concepts would be high, and that's the thing. So 7th standard active and passive voice coming right at you. And now, first of all, what's an active voice? So first of all, before seeing that, we have to see something very important. A sentence contains 3 major parts. So first of all, let's start with a flow chart. So, sentence. First of all, it's subject, verb, object. V and O of a sentence. Okay guys, now let's look at active voice now. So when we look at active voice, it is basically in this order: subject plus verb plus object. And now when we look at passive voice, there's the catch. The subject will come to the object's form. So here the sentence would start with the object and it has the verb, and there is another important thing here. In the subject, there will be by before the subject. Subject. Okay guys. An active voice sentence is from the subject's point of view, and the passive voice sentence is from the object's point of view. Because here we have subject in the front and we have object in the front here. Okay guys, now let's see some examples. Okay, I love mangoes. In this sentence, I is the subject, love is the action being done, so it is the verb, and this is the object because this is receiving the action love. So this is S, V and O sentence. So what is an S, V and O sentence? So it is the active voice. So this sentence is active voice. But now when we convert this sentence into a passive voice, we can say mangoes are loved by me. Mango is the object and loved is the verb or the action being done. By me is the subject. This is O plus V plus S. This is where we look at a passive voice sentence. So okay guys, I think you guys understood the difference between passive and active voice. You can see a lot of examples about this in our textbooks. There will be a lot of examples. You can solve these in a form like this. So guys, I have a tip for you guys. When we have ing in this sentence and when we convert it into a passive voice sentence, we have to add the word being. For example, I am doing my homework. In passive voice, it's like my homework is being done by me. So okay guys, I think you guys understood the concept of active and passive voice. I'll see you all tomorrow in a new video, and then see you all. Bye bye, see you later, and good luck for your exams. See you, bye.